Packing for a trip can be stressful, especially when you're trying to keep your environmental impact low. Today, I'm going to share zero-waste packing essentials that will help you travel light and green. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed with plastic waste after a trip? Or maybe you felt guilty about the amount of single-use items you packed. You're not alone. Stick around until the end, and I'll share a bonus tip that will make your packing even more eco-friendly without adding any extra weight to your bag. First, let's talk about why zero-waste packing is more important than ever. With so much focus on reducing our carbon footprint, the way we pack for our travels can make a significant difference. Traveling often leads to a lot of waste, especially with single-use plastics. By adopting zero-waste packing practices, you can significantly cut down on the waste you produce. Zero-waste packing isn't just about the environment, it's also about simplifying your travel experience. A minimalist approach to packing can reduce stress and make your travels more enjoyable. When you choose zero-waste packing, you're not just benefiting the environment, you're also supporting the broader movement towards sustainable tourism. But what does zero-waste packing actually look like? Let's dive into the essentials you need to know. Building on that idea, let's go over the must-have items for your zero-waste packing list. These essentials will not only reduce your waste, but also make your trip smoother and more organized. Instead of buying travel-sized products that contribute to plastic waste, invest in reusable toiletry bottles. Fill them with your favorite products at home, and you'll avoid unnecessary single-use plastics. Solid toiletries like shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and solid deodorants are a game-changer. They're TSA-friendly, plastic-free, and last longer than their liquid counterparts. Bring a few cloth bags, use them for laundry during your trip or for shopping at local markets. They're lightweight, reusable, and help you avoid plastic bags. A set of bamboo utensils and a reusable straw are perfect for on-the-go meals. They're compact, easy to clean, and eliminate the need for disposable cutlery and straws. Stay hydrated and caffeinated without the waste by carrying a reusable water bottle and coffee cup. Many places even offer discounts when you bring your own cup. Now, you might be wondering how to make all this fit in your luggage without overpacking. Let's talk about that next. Next, let's dive into how you can pack efficiently with these zero-waste essentials, ensuring you have everything you need without overstuffing your bag. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them saves space and reduces wrinkles. Plus, it allows you to fit more items into your luggage, making room for your zero-waste essentials. Choose multi-purpose items to save space. For example, a sarong can be used as a towel, blanket, or even a bag. Solid soap can double as body wash and laundry detergent. Opt for compact and lightweight versions of your zero-waste essentials. For instance, bamboo utensils and solid toiletries are both small and light, making them easy to pack. Use pouches or small bags to organize your items. Group similar items together, like toiletries or utensils, to keep your bag neat and make it easy to find what you need. And what about the items you might need to leave behind? Let's explore how to prioritize what's truly essential. Building on that idea, let's talk about how to prioritize what's truly essential for a zero-waste packing strategy. This way, you can avoid overpacking and stick to the essentials. Planning your outfits in advance helps you pack only what you need. Consider versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched, reducing the number of items you need to bring. Anything disposable that you can replace with a reusable alternative should be left behind. For example, swap out single-use razors for a reusable safety razor. Focus on the basics. Only pack what you'll definitely use. Avoid the just-in-case items, as they often end up being unnecessary and take up valuable space. Think about your destination's climate and activities. This will help you tailor your packing list and ensure you're only bringing what's appropriate and necessary. And now, as promised, here's a bonus tip to make your zero-waste packing even more efficient. Here's a quick hack. Use your reusable water bottle or coffee cup to store small items like jewelry, snacks, or chargers. This way, you're maximizing space while keeping everything organized. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're feeling inspired to pack more sustainably for your next trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Your support helps us keep bringing you tips for greener travel. Take care, pack light, and see you in the next one.